The internet can be a great playground. Especially if you know how to sell, find the right products and have a taste for risk. Travelliam could be your next product. Travelliam is an online travel agency that offers accommodation and sightseeing tours to customers who want to travel to fun and trendy destinations such as Dubai, Paris, Las Vegas, Rio de Janeiro, Cairo, and Nairobi. Travelliam's affiliate system offers a 10% payout on each booking, between $40 and $110 per booking. Travelliam pays its affiliates once a month, at the end of the month. Below is the link to sign up for our program. https://travelliam.com/partners. Thank you for your interest. NB, you can join us too and Stella at Travelliam.